Welcome to SuccessMinds Academy, where we're dedicated to shaping your child's financial future. Are you eager to empower your kids to achieve financial success? We're here to guide you by sharing captivating stories that cultivate a wealth-minded attitude. Join us in exploring From Piggy Bank to Fortune, Fun Tales for Wealth-Minded Kids, a treasure trove of money wisdom. Within these pages, your children will uncover the secrets of effective money management and financial success. We're passionate about teaching kids how to set goals, develop smart money habits, and understand the world of investing. Embrace this exciting journey with us at SuccessMinds Academy. Access From Piggy Bank to Fortune to equip your kids with the essential financial skills they need to thrive. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with fellow parents, because together, we're shaping a generation of financially savvy kids.